So to those of you I haven't met, my name's Abby, and I'm thrilled to be here to talk to you about Melanoma Canada, the community programs and support services that we provide, and how we can assist you and your loved ones throughout a melanoma or skin cancer journey. So my role at Melanoma Canada is to provide patients, caregivers, and survivors with support, assistance navigating the healthcare system, and to act as an advocate and guide to our patient community. I also respond to all of our inquiries in our online chat. I answer support emails and phone calls, facilitate one-on-one support through our cancer coaching program, and facilitate the monthly support groups as well. So non-melanoma skin cancers are the most common cancer diagnosed worldwide, and diagnoses are on the rise in Canada, accounting for 4 deaths per day across the country. Incidence rates of melanoma in Canada alone have tripled in the last 30 years. But when detected early, the survival rates for melanoma and skin cancer remain high. And because of this, one of our biggest missions as an organization is to promote the early detection and prevention of melanoma and skin cancers. So Melanoma Canada is a national organization dedicated to advocating for and supporting Canadians who are living with or impacted by melanoma and skin cancer. And we do so by providing helpful resources, education, and psychosocial support services as well. We were previously called Melanoma Network of Canada, and the organization was founded in 2009 by 3-time melanoma survivor Annette. And the organization was created to respond to the need for Canadian patients to have an organization that was focused on coordinating education and prevention efforts, as well as providing a strong voice for advocacy. So we're so pleased this year to launch our new name, Melanoma Canada, with a renewed commitment to our patient community and to be that united voice. Missions as an organization are to support our community through current and coordinated information and services, to educate Canadians on prevention, detection, and available treatment options, and to advocate for timely diagnoses, improved access to care across the country, and for the best and most effective treatment options to be widely available. The ultimate goal of our organization is to live in a world with 0 melanoma and skin cancer related deaths. So we value above all being supportive, and that's to every person affected by melanoma and skin cancer at every stage of disease or their journey, being passionate about access to credible information and effective treatment, and being trusted as a reliable resource for the public and for our industry partners as well. So as an organization, we provide several different support services to patients, caregivers, and survivors. Our email and phone support is provided Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time, and you can contact this phone number and email on the screen here. So we can provide support through answering general inquiries, providing referrals to information or resources, assisting with reviewing available treatment options, or helping to make sense of complex terminology and information. Our cancer coaching program provides patients with one-on-one support at any stage of disease and any stage of their journey. And the program can really help with the emotional, physical, and practical aspects that can present during cancer diagnosis, treatment, or management. And ultimately, the goals of the program are to help address any individual concerns, ensure that patients feel heard and supported, and to provide the tools and coping strategies to self-manage and hopefully minimize the anxiety and uncertainty of living with cancer. We also have our monthly support groups, which take place virtually on the first Wednesday of every month. Our groups focus on fostering a safe and welcoming space for patients of all stages, diagnosis and treatment plans to just join and share information, challenges, any questions or tips they have for other attendees. And I find from feedback from those that attend that the groups really provide patients with a lot of encouragement and connection and support that's so vital to overall well-being. So if you're interested in registering for the next upcoming monthly support group, you can do so by scanning the QR code on the screen. Our peer-to-peer support program connects patients with a trained peer volunteer who shared a similar path. So patients and peers are matched to the best of my ability by similar age, location, and diagnosis. And the support sessions are offered over the phone or email. And the program allows for a supportive mentoring relationship that can relieve some of the stress, worries, and concerns that come from living with melanoma or skin cancer. And it also provides the opportunity to share stories and create a supportive connection based on lived experience and mutual understanding. The QR code on the screen there will also take you to our website where you can receive more information on the peer-to-peer support program. We provide a wide range of online resources for patients to learn, engage with others, and feel a sense of connection and community. We also have our private online chat, which is available to anonymously ask questions, and that is monitored by me personally. And I also invite you to sign up for our newsletter through the QR code on the screen. And this is where we send out updates on treatment options, upcoming events, any new patient stories, or other helpful information as well. Our website also contains a range of resources to help guide patients and caregivers towards making choices that will help you feel your best, from sample meal plans to deal with diarrhea or nausea, homemade electrolyte recipes for battling dehydration, and nutritious meals that don't require cooking for when fatigue is at an all-time high. So really hope we can help make food preparation and maintaining your strength and health a little bit easier. We recently partnered with the Elixir Kitchen at Princess Margaret to develop some wonderful recipes that are suitable for staying hydrated and are also easy on the stomach. And you can view those videos by scanning the QR code as well. So our patient information sessions feature experts in the field who present on the latest in treatment and support services. And these sessions also provide patients and caregivers the opportunity to ask questions, connect with other patients, and to receive current, reliable, and trusted information. The QR code on the screen will take you to the page on the website where we will post our upcoming patient information sessions as well. So our leading edge publications are written with the help of specialists in oncology and dermatology, and are really helpful for anyone interested in learning more about staging, diagnosing, treatments, and any additional information. Our publications are provided free of charge and provide complex medical information in easily understandable terms in order to help those diagnosed to learn a little bit more about their diagnosis and treatment options. And it's all based on quality research and best practices. And if you scan the QR code, you can download a PDF file of any of our resources, or you can also place an order for a physical copy to be sent to your home if you would prefer that. Any recordings of our past information sessions, patient journeys, and prevention and detection information are all available on our YouTube channel. You can find that at Melanoma Canada or scan the QR code as well. So as an organization that really values being a reliable resource for the public and healthcare providers, we launched our first physician education program in 2021 to support primary care practitioners in triaging skin lesions more accurately. And these teachings also provide healthcare professionals with the ability to facilitate an early diagnosis, all in order to hopefully improve patient outcomes. And because of the success of our first program, we're really proud to have just launched 2 brand new courses with a focus on the presentation and detection of acral and subungual melanoma, which is commonly found in patients with skin of color, who often face late-stage diagnosis and poorer health outcomes. So all 3 of our courses are self-learning, free, and offered through MD Briefcase. And they are all certified by the College of Family Physicians of Canada. So we can ensure that whoever takes the course is receiving the latest and best evidence and protocols. So since melanoma and skin cancer are largely preventable cancers that have a cure rate of 85% if detected early, a part of our mission as an organization is to spread this awareness and ensure that people across Canada know the importance of early detection. So through initiatives such as our monthly skin check reminders, guided videos on how to perform a skin self-exam, and our ABCDE detection cards, we aim to encourage early detection by educating Canadians on how to spot melanoma and skin cancer. We also have a variety of public health initiatives focused on prevention, including our 3 Ways to Block the Rays campaign. And in 2014, we launched the Screen Me Sun Aware Camp program to protect youth from skin cancer by supporting summer camp to implement sun safety best practices. And a new feature of our commitment to prevention and detection is focused on winter sun safety awareness. So at the beginning of this year, we launched the 7th Summits for Skin Cancer presented by Neutrogena, a snowshoe challenge to remind the public to protect their skin from UV rays all year round. And as the leading national organization dedicated to advocating for our community, we place a lot of importance on ensuring that Canadians have improved education, treatment, and access. And we do so by providing submissions for new drug therapy and advocate on behalf of our patient community to the Pan-Canadian Oncology Drug Review. And this is to ensure that the highest quality treatment options are available and accessible. And included in the upcoming launch of our new website is a brand new clinical trial finder that allows patients to seamlessly search for clinical trials. The finder compares your answers to questionnaires with trial eligibility criteria and assesses whether you're a preliminary match for any studies with open enrollment. So as we've discussed, early detection of melanoma and skin cancer is imperative. So we want to take this moment to remind you to sign up for our skin check reminders and to visit your dermatologist or family physician annually with any concerns. And we also encourage you to stay involved with our organization, whether that's attending our next patient information session, or volunteering for an upcoming event, volunteering as a peer volunteer, hosting a Strides Walk in your local community, or making a donation to help us reach our goal of 0 melanoma deaths. And we have some exciting events coming up, including our 2nd 7th Summit Snowshoe Challenge in February. May of 2023 is Melanoma Month, and our annual Strides for Melanoma 5K walk is May 28th across the country. So we really hope you'll join us and participate by hosting a walk in your community. And you can stay up to date with all our upcoming events and our future patient information sessions on our website and our social media channels as well. So we are available Monday to Friday from 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time for any inquiries at all. Feel free to contact me at the number on the screen. My extension is 112, or you could email support@melanomanetwork.ca.